What up? We are back with a 2012 Ford Fusion with approximately 190,000 miles on the body. The engine was replaced about 15,000 miles ago. If you look back in the channel, you look back in the page, you'll see this one again. This is one that we had to get back and recondition, so it's back. And it's back up for sale. We got new tires, new AC compressor, we got new belts, new tensioner, fresh oil chains, headlights have been shined up and reconditioned. What else do we do? Okay, so it does have a little bumper thing. This is common on these Fusions, but the bumper's not gonna fall off. It's pretty common. But then we got this, but we're trying to keep the price low. If I fix that, I gotta charge you almost another $1,000. So we're trying to keep the price low. We got a little bit of clear, fake flaking right here. All right, but everything works. The most important part is everything works. Let's take a look at the inside. This is the back seat, nice and clean, gray cloth interior. All right, let's go to the front seat on passenger side. All door handles work. All right, we got your 12 volt right here. You can see it lights up blue. Got your accessory right there. Another one right there with the aux cord on the inside. Got your radio. Let's walk around to the back. A little bit of clear coat peeling on the bumper in the back. All the tires are brand new. Got less than 1,000 miles on them. This is the back seat on the driver's side. A little bit of paint chipping above the door right here. Driver's doors, jump in real quick. Key on. There we go. Look at that. Got my handsome assistant handing me the thermostat. Just turn the car on. As you see, it's not even warmed up yet. Here's the here's the temperature right here. Still on cold, all right? It needs some fuel, of course. I'm gonna put this right here so y'all can see exactly. So you can see exactly how cool that get right there. Put a little shade on it so you can see. It's cooling it down right now. Right now it's at 80. 75. We're gonna let that run for a second. So while we let that run, radio works. All right, on that music, got your aux, CD, AM, FM. This right here is for satellite radio. This right here is for your HVAC. That's your HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And this goes with that also. This is your traction control right there. It's your fan speed right here. Got your fan speed, hot, cold. Look at that. Where we at on temperature wise? We are already below 60. Let's go out here and hear this engine run. This is the same engine we replaced about a year ago. We got the vehicle back and we reconditioned it. Found the hood release. All right, there we go. Looks good. No leaks, no rattle, thunder, clatter. Doesn't overheat. Shifts smooth. All right. Now we in the dirt now, so if we was in the dirt and it was leaking, you'll be able to see it. No leaks. No leaks. All right. So I'm Chris. It's my son Marcos. We are McMath Autos. We can be reached at 719-8. What's our number? 719. It ain't 719. It's 404-719-8355. Or add us at McMath Autos on Instagram or here on YouTube, McMath Autos, even on TikTok, McMath Autos. All right, y'all. So I was reminded that this vehicle is due for emissions, so we are pulling up to the emission place right here. Gonna get these emissions done real quick. Then we're gonna do our test drive, and that's gonna be it, man. Y'all come on out. This car probably gonna go for about $6,000, give or take. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna pay cash. Yeah, I give you all cash discount. If you want to do in-house finance, it's gonna be about $2,000 down, $100 a week, 52 weeks, and you're done. All right, y'all, and just like that, it passed Georgia emissions. There you go, so you can see, nice little pass. Ford, Georgia plate, 4-cylinder, 2012. There go your VIN number right there. We good. What's today's date? What's today's date, Marcos? What is today?
Today.
You supposed to know the day, son. Today is
Wednesday,
June
June
22nd.
22nd.
All right. Wednesday, June 22nd. Admission pass. We're going to do this short test drive. So you guys can see. Y'all be thinking we be shucking and jiving when I be telling you my car is good, man. I just fix what needs to be done. I don't get caught up in all that other stuff. We don't do all that old extra stuff. Fix what needs to be done. So what else we got? All right, let me see. Look at our thermostat. Where our temperature at? What temperature you think we at, Marcos? Guess. I want you to guess.
40.
We are close. Probably about 45. Come on, hocus focus, camera, hocus focus. We're about 45 degrees. So that's nice and cold. And it's at least 90 something outside. And we just on 2. And we're comfortable. All right, so watch the tachometer that's on the left. You get to see your shifts. And we still gotta get gas, huh?
Oh, yeah.
All right, we'll go to QT, get some gas. Like I said, it's got brand new tires. Tires are less than 1,000 miles on tires. Less than 200 miles, actually. Some good tires, huh? What else we do? Replace little odds and ends on just the stuff that needs to be done. What you think, Marcos? What you think about this car thus far? You ain't been in here long, but what you think?
It's alright. I rock with it. It's
You
pretty
rock with
good.
it? Pretty good. Is the AC cold? Am I lying or is the AC cold?
The AC is cold, yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
Do you hear? Is the engine making a lot of bunch of noise? Is it like rattling, knocking, and stuff like that? Do you hear the engine? Is it rattling? Does it sound bad? Be honest now. If it sound bad, tell the people it sound bad. Like, yeah, it's horrible. What you
No,
think?
it sounds fine.
Okay. Has it been shifting okay? We've been
Yeah, it shifts good. Shifts good.
Shifts good. What else you want to tell the people?
It's a good car. Buy it.
Good car. You heard it here first. Yes, he's biased. Good car, buy it. Hell, for that, we might get some tacos. I can't get no tacos on fast. But anyway, there we go. We're going to get on this nice little strip right here. I'm going to do some accelerating for y'all. 55. 60. You see the wheels not shaking. Holding still, tracking straight. Power windows work. Everything works. Lights work. Radio works. AC definitely works. Heat works. Power steering works. Tire pressure sensor. That's the only thing that needs to be replaced. That is a $50 item, and I'm going to pass that cost savings on to you because the more stuff I replace, the more stuff I have to charge you. So if you can deal with it, just simply press this reset button, and it'll go back off. So you don't see it on the dashboard. But the tires are brand new, so you'll be good. Let's see. What else haven't I spoke on? What else haven't I spoke on, Marcos? We talked about the AC, windshield wipers work, sprayer works. Look at that. Hey, don't purchase no car if it ain't got no windshield washer fluid in it now. What's this? We got the little cubby thing. That works right there. Yeah, you got the little magnet right there for your phone. The map lights work. The hazards work. Let me see. So your blinkers work. There you go. Did we cover the radio? Cover the radio? Yeah, turn the radio on. Yeah. Now cut that down because we don't own the rights to none of that. We'll get flagged. We don't own none of that. Cut that down. We don't own that. That's whoever that is. Power windows, power windows, they work. Let your window down. Bam. All the way down. There you go. Look at this. Auto on the driver's side. All the way down. You know what I'm saying? Bam. All the way up. You think the ones in the back work? Let's see. I got it. See, they work. They working. I don't know what we got going on ahead of us, but they car ain't working because they ain't purchased it from us. See, you ain't got no plate on there. Car already messed up. So, I'm going to tell y'all again because I messed my own phone number up. The number is 404-719-8355. That is McMath Autos. We are located at 2385 Wall Street, Suite 119 in Conyers, Georgia. The number again is 404-719-8355. The website is McMathAutos.com. YouTube is McMath Autos. TikTok, McMath Autos. Instagram, McMath Autos. Did I miss anything?
Nope.
Nah, I missed nothing? All right, so we out, man. We out. I think this is long enough. You really interested in the car? Come out and see it.